Welcome to Bulldog-bargains. Hope everyone is safe. Hope everyone is well. Unboxing some NTSC N64 games. If it's not already clear, it's J for Japanese. Look, there's Super Mario 64. It's a bit different, the covers. Does anyone here play overseas games? Comment down below. Silent at Dawn React. That's my React channel. Please help it out. It's going really well. Thank you, guys. So look at this. Mario Kart 64. How awesome and iconic that is on the 64. This was called Pocket Monsters or something, but that's Pokemon Stadium. A shiny Pokemon Stadium. You don't get that here in Australia or the US. Didn't grow up with an N64. I grew up with a PlayStation 1. Mario Party 2, but both consoles were excellent. Yeah, Pokemon Snap, I think that is. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, please like and subscribe down below. Please help the channel grow. Have a great day.